I'm going to be telling you about the changes that Max is planning to make. Now, a couple of time ago, they mentioned something called PR Sports on Max, right? You get the stream live sports in Dolby Vision and with Dolby Atmos surround sound with PR Sports, right? And it'll be available on all plans for a limited time. Now, they actually plan to charge you $9.99 for you to be able to get this service, right? But now they make it free as long as you have a standard plan or a premium plan, right? So if you have a standard or a premium plan, you'll get this add-on for free. So you'll get to watch live TV and sports with Dolby Atmos and Dolby Surround Sound. But if you have basic with ads at $9.99 per month, you will not get this streaming service. So if you want PR Sports, you'll have to upgrade to standard or you'll have to upgrade with premium. And after you upgrade to standard and or premium, then you will get PR Sports along with it, right? But it is in the name, it's available on all plans for a limited time. So I'm guessing that this is gonna be taken out sometime near the future. But while it's still here, then we might as well take advantage of it. So again, if you want PR Sports, then you'll have to subscribe to either standard and or premium. You can select on this button right here to subscribe and get Max.